Hi everyone! It's a brand new year, and that means it's time to start planning your garden. Whether you're a first-time grower or a seasoned gardening pro, square foot gardening is the perfect way to make the most of your space. Today, we're diving into tips and tricks to help you create a thriving garden, 1 square foot at a time. Square foot gardening is all about dividing your garden into small, manageable sections, 1 foot by 1 foot. This method is fantastic for beginners who want an easy, organized start, and for advanced gardeners looking to optimize their space. Check out our full blog post at mobius8organics.com for more detailed planning tips. First up, your garden setup. A raised bed is a game changer. They're perfect for creating neat square foot sections. I recommend starting with a kit like this one to make setup a breeze. Now for the fun part, planting. Each square can become its own mini garden. Imagine vibrant lettuces, juicy cherry tomatoes, or fragrant herbs growing side by side. Need help choosing seeds? This kit is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Here are some quick tips to keep your square foot garden thriving. 1. Use nutrient-rich soil and compost. 2. Water consistently. Drip irrigation works great. 3. Rotate your crops each year to keep soil healthy and pests away. Square foot gardening is such a rewarding way to grow your own food, whether you're working with a small backyard or a patio. Don't forget to visit mobius8organics.com for more tips and a complete guide to planning your garden. Happy gardening! Like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share it with your gardening friends. Let's grow together.